Hello friends, in this video we will see some problems related to the profit and loss. For example, if a person sells two similar items, if a person sells two similar items, one item at gain of X percentage and another item at the loss of X percentage. So then the seller always going to be incur loss only. Always incurs to the always incurs a loss, and the loss percentage is given by loss percentage is equal to common loss or gain percentage by 10 and overall square and overall square. So in our case it is x, so that can be written as x by 10 whole square, x by 10 whole square. So whenever there is a two similar items are there, one is sold at the gain of X percentage and another one is sold at the loss of X percentage. Okay, so then the always the seller is going to be get a loss, and that loss percentage is given by common loss or gain percentage by 10 to the power of 2, 10 to the power of 2. So in our case the common loss or gain is X, so X by 10 to the power of 2. Okay, so how we got this one? Let us assume, so there is a cost price of one article. Okay, the similar items cost price is X. So first we are sending X percentage gain. Okay, and second we are selling that one for the loss of X percentage. Again X percentage loss is there. So on cost price two successive percentage changes are there. So one is at the rate of increment and one is at the rate of decrement. Okay, I mean the loss here gain, here loss is there. So the overall percentage change is given by A plus B plus AB by 100. So I already told this one in the previous video. So here increment is there, I mean the gain is there, we write plus X. So whenever there is a loss percentage there, we write minus X plus, so here X into minus X by 100 by 100. So plus X minus X is cancelled, X into minus X, so that is going to be minus X square by 100. So minus X square by 100 can also written as minus X by 10 overall square. So this minus represents loss. So that's why always incurs a loss. So whenever we are selling two similar items, one is at the gain of X percentage, one is at the loss of X percentage, then it is always going to be the loss, and that loss percentage is given by X by 10 to the power of spare percentage, and this one will give the loss percentage. So we will see one problem based on this concept. Okay, let us assume there are two chairs are there, two similar chairs are there. So one is sold at 12 percentage gain and another one is sold at 12 percentage loss, 12 percentage loss. Okay, so we have to find the overall percentage, I mean overall gain or loss, overall gain or loss. So we have to find that one, and each chair's cost is 308 rupees. Okay, so I mean two similar chairs are there, each chair sold at 308 rupees. So on which he incurred 12 percentage gain. So one chair is sold at 12 percentage gain and another chair is sold at 12 percentage loss. We have to find the overall gain or loss percentage of the seller. Okay, so in this case if you see, so 12 percentage gain and 12 percentage loss. So that means the common loss or gain is, so the loss always it is going to be the loss, because in this concept of exploration we have seen that there is always going to be the loss, and that loss percentage is given by minus, I mean minus. Okay, so and then the common loss or gain percentage, common gain or loss percentage. So that is 12. Here common is 12, here also common is 12. 12 by 10. So that is 10 overall square. So that is going to be 2 6 and 2 5. So 6 square is 36 and 5 square is 25. So this is going to be 25 1 25 and 11 left 11 by 25 percentage loss. Okay, it is always going to be the loss only. It is always going to be the loss. Okay, if two shares are sold at rate T08 rupees, so one uh, share at the rate of 12 percentage gain and another share at the loss of 12 percentage. Okay, so then we have to find the overall gain or loss percentage. So it is always going to be the loss whenever we sold two identical articles. At one is at uh, same percentage gain and another one is at the same percentage loss. So the overall loss is given by x square by x by 10 whole square. So that is, here we have x as 12. So we substitute the value 12 by 10 to the power of whole square. So that is going to be 111 by 25. So I hope you got this one. So whenever you got this kind of problem, use this trick, common loss or gain by 10 to the power of square. So I hope you got this one. Thank you very much for watching this video and please subscribe my channel.